Welcome to my channel where modern technology meets opportunity, where we explore how to make money online, build digital skills, and leverage technology to transform ideas into income. Whether you're into web design, workflow automation, or just looking to level up your IT knowledge, this channel gives you the tools. We have tutorials and strategies that will make you to get ahead. I don't just teach technology, I help you apply it. From creating stunning websites to automating your business processes. I offer custom solutions, trainings, and practical guides to help you grow in the digital economy. So if you are ready to learn, if you're ready to earn, and if you're ready to build smarter, then hit the subscribe button because your digital journey starts here. I also want you to hit the like button. I also want you to share. I also want you to comment whatever you want me to also produce so that you can have more idea about what's happening in the digital space. You can connect with me through the link which you will see in the description, or you can link up with me using WhatsApp. And on WhatsApp, you can chat me up on plus 234 808 270 6935. I read again, plus 234 808 270 6935. You can also see my email in the description, which you can go on to send a mail to me, shoot me a mail, and we'll chat up. So just know that we build solutions, we teach, and we also help you to automate your work. Just stay tuned, all right?